Alright, I lost the connection there. I'm long and I'm getting beat up here. Down 300 right now. Was up 220. Just expecting a rally in the close and it's just not happening yet. Last area is the 76.93. Extremely controlled down move right now. $157. I know what it's going to take to get above that level, 77.5 to 77.82. Just think they're accumulating right now, getting ready to push up.
Order filled.
Come on now, rally. That's going to be our exit point now. Goes to 97, we've got to close out and take our lumps. Try to close, try to get 2 contracts off here above. Make this a positive day, hopefully. If we can rally here. Need the push above here. I want to get the risk I'm taking on. I want to get 1,000 on the other side now. That'd be 20 ticks on 5 would be 37, right? So 37 would be a good exit point. $37 to $57, up here to $52. And this looks like that's going to be failure for us right there below the 77 handle. Come on, baby, rally. Need to get above this supply demand area right now. Come on now, run. Breakout now, let's go. Got one finger on the close button here. It's we got a lot. There we go. Come on, run. 19 will be failure right now. 19's failure. Looking for 20 ticks up minimum right now to get to 37. Just lighten the load here a little bit.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Want to sell, right? Not buy.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled.
There's a lot of risk there, so I'm lightening the load down. This takes me out here. I'll have one left.
Order filled. Order canceled.
All right, I'm down to one. We're going to clear out at 23. Let's bring this over here. Clearing out at 23. Last contract's on at 77.09. A little bit more risk than I wanted to today, but I wanted to get out. It put us about 800 at 23. I want to see if I can take this one on to 82. Let's see if it's still up there. All right, we're going to come out at 26 now. See 26 print, I'm going to come out.
Order filled.
I'm short, I'm out. Should be out altogether now. Plus 850. Where does that put me in relation to 52,713? I'm bad on 2 trading days, right? Got close to getting stopped out there with 500. Very close. Controlled move down. Very, very controlled move down, looking for a up into close. Still think there's more strength to the upside here, but I had a lot of risk on. I needed to get off. If I'm smart, I'll take this gain and be done. Got, I think it's 7 trading days now. That's all you need to get to the next level. So I think we'll just hang out at plus 85 right now. That coil pattern kind of, there's a head fake down and then it went back. Let's see if it has the strength to move. That's what I wrote down in my journal today. I don't know if you can see this, but so I've got that arrow going up at the end saying which way is that coil. So if a head fake, head bob down and then up in a very controlled move though, very controlled down move. The 77 mark, right? It went to 77. We had lines at was it 77? Yeah, we had lines at 77.13 and 76.93 today. 14. Very controlled move down to 77 and up it goes, right? I still think there's a lot of strength to this. So let's I lost the other video that I put together, so we'll cover the trade probably on this video a little bit later. I'm going to pause here. I'm going to try to stay out of the market until the 2:30 mark. Go find something else to do. Be back. All right, so in today. 105, let's bring this over here. Looking at the 5-minute chart. So what we thought it would come up here, not we, but I thought that we would come up into here. We didn't. We hit the 77.01 mark and we bounced. So that's the play I took on towards the end of the trading session and got out. I was accumulating from 35, I believe, and then I took on at the 12 mark, took on down here, I think my last contract was down in this area, and then we sold off as we went up. And hopefully, I lost part of the video today, but we were talking about a coil pattern. We had I was thinking this would be the head fake, and we'd push, but we're also at this date, last day of February, right? Ideally, I wanted to see the head fake around this area and go up. We knew our loss point was 76.97 today. Once we got everything in, that would have taken us to about a $600 loss overall, which would have been more than I want, but that would have been the loss. That had knocked me out about a 600. Ended up getting 850. And I was risking 600. So I still make a little bit, not as much as I want. But we took off contracts on that move going up right there. So let's take a look at this move right here, which started at the 2 o'clock mark roughly and lasted basically 5 minutes before it started selling off. So it was just a 5-minute move we ended up making our money on. And today what we see kind of the MACD was a better predictor than the Williams percent R, but they're both showing a buy signal down here. Looking at the lowest lows, went down to 77 and then it did go up. I ended up taking the last contract off there at the 26 mark, but I took profit along the way going up here. I was in 5 contracts at the end of the day, and if it would have broke through here once it made its move up here, if it would have come back down, I would have got out and try to keep my loss between once it made that move up, trying to keep my loss between, I was going to try to keep it between 300 to 400, knowing that I wanted to go after 1K. I was trying to keep a 3-to-1 ratio here on. What I wanted the market to do, which I was hoping it would do, would right here go up to here or up to here. But it didn't have enough supply. I didn't have enough demand here to drive it up to the supply areas up here. And in fact, it didn't even have enough to drive it to the supply area there. So at the end of the day, that's the best they could do. We still were trading, that's why I like the up. At the end of the day, we were trading R1 to R2. Probably would like the short below if we were coming in R1 going back towards the pivot if I was trading there, but we were trading in here R1 to R2. I was trying to find the long that would rally into close. But once again, the other side of this, discretion is the better part of valor right now, right? It was end of month, last day of February. So that's the trade setup that I took, banked it,